Hi friends, welcome back. Today I am going to tackle the job of contour and highlighting. Now this is the one that is inspired by Kim Kardashian. It's a very dramatic look, but wait till you see the end result. It's amazing. But before there was Kim Kardashian, there was Kevin Aucoin. Look at that. He started this a long time ago. And let me tell you something. This is like plastic surgery. What we are gonna do, we are gonna help the neck, which I cannot stand what goes on with my neck now that I'm 50. We are gonna tackle the nose. You can make your nose smaller. I mean, it's a miracle, so stay tuned. I will write everything down below. Don't forget to subscribe. You can do it right now. Click on the subscribe button and here we go. Okay, so I have a clean face. And I just have a little, I did my eyebrows and a little mascara. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get a moisturizer that is like illuminating. So I like to use the MAC Strobe Cream. It's illuminating and it just gives you kind of that glow, and you just put it all over your face, your entire face. And I love the smell of it. And actually, they have actually come up with a coconut one, but can you see? Can you see how it's like kind of shiny? So this is a good base, and it's a moisturizer. So that's what you start with. Okay, then the second thing you do is you get your favorite foundation. I like the Naked Skin, and you, again, put this all over. So real quickly, I'm just gonna put it all over, in even my neck, okay? And I'm just gonna blend it. I'm gonna blend it with the makeup brush real quick. So there you go. That's it, but look at that. And it just gives you a nice base to put everything on. Okay, so now you've got your foundation on. Now here comes the fun part. Okay, so you begin with the highlight. Now this is Instant Rewind Eraser by Maybelline in the color Neutralizer, okay? And you just roll it up. And you start with the sides of the nose here, and you make a V, just like that. I'm gonna do the other side here, just like that. Look at that. Then you go down the bridge of the nose. Then you go to the corner of your mouth, here and here. And then you do this little, I call it like the little Triton fork area here, the center, there, okay. Then you also do the chin, come down, do the chin, just like that. I mean, and you're gonna look crazy when this is in the process, but trust me, this works. But guess what? I'm also gonna do the collarbone right here. Okay, so, and it's summertime. This is a glowy look. It's amazing what this does. Okay, so then we move on to the contour. And the contour, take a little on the little brush, little makeup brush, foundation brush. And the contour, I like to do the hollows of the cheeks here. Then I'll do the sides of the nose. Now, if you have a thin nose, obviously, I do a little under here too. You don't want to make it too small, so just depending on your face structure. Then we're gonna do, I like to do under the lip, right here. The temples, so right here. And then I'm gonna get a little more, you're gonna do your hairline. Now what I like to do with the hairline, everyone does it different, but I like to do 5 little swipes. So I like to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. 5 swipes like that. Then get a little more product on there. And then the chin. I mean, this is the one that I love. You'd go along the jawline here. And then you stroke it down like this. take it and stroke it down the chin like that. Now, since I'm doing the highlight on the collarbone, then I do the dark below and above, like that. I'll get a little more product on there. Okay. Okay, so then you start the blending process. So what I like to do is blend it. I like to blend the under the eyes first. You blend the white part first. Just that part right there. Then you blend, then you do the dark part next. And I like to start with the nose, and then up here. Then I like to take a dual fiber like this, and this just blends it all really good. And then you just blend it all like this. And if it's not blending perfectly, you can add a little concealer. Let me show you. Look at that. And it looks a little wonky, but don't worry, you just keep blending, blending and blending. Okay, then you take a little highlighter, and we're not done yet, so take a little banana powder. It's like a banana, you can use a translucent powder. This is a setting powder. Now we're gonna set it. We're gonna set everything we just did. I'm using a sponge, and again, we're still gonna blend later, but we're setting. We're setting everything that we've just done with like a banana powder. Okay. Now, I like to blend a little, I like to go in and finish the nose and really get it, blend it in. There we go. This is like a firmer, like use a firm bristle brush, and that will really get it to finish blending in. Because you can still see some of the lines there. And, you know, again, just keep blending and blending and blending until, oh my gosh, look, it's so gorgeous. So now you could, I'm just gonna blend this a little more. Now you could stop here, but why stop here? I like to go in and finish it off. Now this is the actual Kevin Aucoin duo with the sculpt and highlight. And what I like to do is now I take this and really finish it off right here, like that. And you know I've done my 3 before my video. Make a 3, like that. And then at the very end, you do the highlight. So again, everywhere where we highlighted on the Cupid's bow, I like to do a little shimmer, and we'll do it up here. Okay, and then we blend that in. Again, everything's about the blending. So blend that in. That's just like finishing off the highlight, like that. And then what I like to do is take the dark color here, and I'll do the eyes in the same color. Just like that. Then you take the lighter color, color in the duo. Now, if you have, you know, bronzer, you don't go out and buy this. If you already have, chances are you have a highlighter and a contour already. So like, for instance, you may have the Hoola bronzer. I've used this before. Or you may have the Marc Jacobs Primo. Just use that. Use whatever you have. And I'll list everything below. And with that, I'll take my hair down. And there you have it. And I like to always finish it off with a little blush. So I take a little blush brush. Now this is the Milani Luminoso. I mean, this is at the drugstore. And you just put that right on the apples of your cheeks, right like that. How gorgeous is that? And now you're ready for summer. you're ready for your next picnic, and you're ready to just enjoy yourself, enjoy your life, have a little fun with your makeup. Don't forget to watch my other videos. Love God, love others, be blessed, and until next time, love you. Bye.